Good morning, everybody.
Very good morning.
I am Ankit Savla, and I have completed my BE in computers in the year 2012. After which I worked for 6.5 years in a IT company. One was in basically Indian company, and last 4.5 years in my journey I worked with one of the MNCs named as Majesco Limited, and we were in the BFSI segment developing softwares for the insurance companies. During this 6.5 years of journey, after 5 years, I was about to think, okay, what I have completed my 5 years of professional life and I have to continue a journey of 30 years. So I should be planning for this my profession now. I just entered as a fresher and started getting salaries, but I did not have a long vision of 30 years. So meanwhile, I started planning. So IT was a good part to be there, but at the same time, I was looking something I could work as an independent person and keep earning till the time I enjoy working. So when I know IT, I have to quickly upgrade many things. There is a cost behind that, and at the same time, at my personal finance, I was somewhere unhappy with my existing advisors. So I thought of gaining a knowledge for my personal finance with a proper professional or a mentor who can help me in learning my personal finance, so that at least while I am working, I could start building some capital. Because I had read one thing, one line basically: to be rich, you have to be invested in someone's business, or you should do your own business. As a employee, you cannot just keep earning much. So that thought process allowed me to learn something new with the help of Keyusha. When I approached him, I just told him, okay, I want guidance and you teach me about that. And then the journey started. Today I'm working as an independent consultant since last 1.5 year, and since last 2 months I am practicing full time as a certified financial planner. Somewhere when we had a conference in 2018, I had a experience of 3 months as a IFA, wherein my AUM was somewhere 50 lakhs and I was managing some 4 to 6 families. But when the second conference happened, the AUM was 10x. So basically I had crossed 5 crores with somewhere 45 plus families during those period of time. And later on, after having that sizable business, again Keyusha helped me. It's now a right time to take a hard decision for this point of time for the next jump. So I quit my job and practicing from April 19 as an independent consultant. Also, I thought of some new innovations wherein I could start some better things with the existing IFAs, so that I could avoid competition and have cooperation. So with help of Sakad Money, in Maharashtra, we are doing some financial wellness camp wherein people come up with their portfolios, and we help them in guiding them. And I am lucky today, I have one of my colleague Ravindra here, and we together have completed somewhere 9 camps in Maharashtra, including Pune, Nashik, Kolhapur, Ichalkaranji. Blue Ocean. And we have a panel of 18 people, wherein I can say 6 to 7 people panelists are the students of Keyusha, and they are creating a larger difference. Now when we have, after the client base that we have helped them are really happy, because we have their feedbacks in the local Sakad newspaper regularly, and they have got a right vision with the help of CFPs, how they can manage their better finances and other things. And at the same time, when we all together are doing this business, but I can, with the numbers that we have, we two together are managing 90% of the AUM at Sakad Money against the total count of 18. And this only happens because we have few CFPs who are much senior than us by age, or maybe 10x experience than us. But the training was not from here, so we just two batsmen batting on the pitch and making 90% of the progress, and others somewhere, even though having a 10x client base than us, 10x more number of experience in terms of time, still somewhere lacking behind. So it clearly indicates that there is a lack of knowledge, because you cannot say a lack of experience or a lack of client base, because client is, everyone is getting a same client in the camp. It is not distributed as per the skill sets. So that is one of the blue ocean that even Keyusha talks about. So that is one of the big achievement in this time. In personal finance, again, I have been corrected a lot, a debt-free life, earning a sizable income even after leaving a job to run a home, and not again relying on the existing principal and wiping out the principals. And when we say, okay, why do we need this CFO program? So we had a camp at Ichalkaranji in Kolhapur, where we got a lot of businessmen having 100 CR portfolio, 250 CR portfolio, or up to 700 CR portfolio. Now they have completed everything with their personal finance or the basic goals of their families. They just required more help in helping them in doing a business, okay, where they can increase the profitability. So just when I attended that camp, from the camp itself I messaged sir, okay, when do we have this program next, because to execute them and help them, just telling okay, I'm a CFP and let's do goal based planning and that only is enough was not going to serve the purpose. You require really the other technical skills. Soft skill of acquisition had really been acquired while learning a CFP. So now I had to complete that 90% of the journey to get that better and businesses. Also last week I attended a portfolio planning. So it was again a great thing that we had a last session on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday, 2 days I got to implement with some big investors from Nashik, wherein there were some investors who had invested in mohars from Nizam Akbar's time, and they were dicey whether they should have all these 50-60 lakhs collections in their portfolio, or they should sell off and put in some simple debt fund or equity fund. So when I asked them about their complete portfolio and then portion was only about 10 to 15%, I told you can treat this as an alternative investment, and again we check the standard deviation of that as an individual and again in the portfolio, okay, whether it changes the standard deviation or it reduces the returns by having it in a portfolio. So even he got those correct kind of knowledge. And the TLU approach that we had discussed in the portfolio planning, you can subscribe to that whole 3 days, so you get to know about all the details more. So when people did not come up with a correct goal, we use the TLU approach. So having all these 3 programs, CFP, portfolio planning for HNI, and be a CFO, so together will be a big combination of lot of learnings to cater different varieties of client.
Good, very good, excellent. So message is very simple. Here as a personal finance expert, you are catering the 180 degree. You are catering the only personal financial planning. So when you meet the small and medium enterprise owner or maybe some self-employed professional like a doctor, etc., they have already achieved, or they thought, yes, I want something better or next level. And many of time I say that IFA or even CFP failed, and if you start talking about portfolio planning approach, or if you talk about okay, how I can help you in making your business or your profession better profitable, so definitely they will find more suitability, because it is a 360 degree you are completing. So Ankit, thank you very much for attending last week and also this week from your busy schedule. And as I always share all of my participants, when you upgrade your skill set, you may not get immediate reward, okay, but over a period of time it will give you a far higher, you can say that investment on learning is give you a 10x 20x of rewards in terms of time investment and monetary investment, okay, and looking for some kind of winning partnership in coming period. Yes, thank you, Ankit.